Okay, very good question has come. Can we apply VLOOKUP in pivot table? Okay, so what VLOOKUP you want to do? Okay, let's say, suppose as an example, I want to know for the January month, which region has the highest sales? Okay. VLOOKUP can be done. Okay, so I can say that I can say VLOOKUP. What is the lookup value? Jan. Okay, what is the table array? This is your table array. And what is your column index? What is your column index? You want to, let's say, find out the sales in January in North. So you say 3. Okay, and you say false. You get it. Okay, so you can say Jan, so sales in North. Sales in North in Jan. Like that, you can do it. Right? Or what you can do is like this. So actually your question has been answered. You can definitely apply VLOOKUP over here. But what will happen? Okay, we have entered like this. Now let's say suppose we filter banana. Gone. Okay. So this is gone, right? Okay, let's see what the value is wrong. Let's see what is the issue. 226829. Okay, because we no, sorry. It should be 4. My mistake. It should be 4. Okay. Because the column is 1, 2, 3, 4. I took this as a by mistake. Okay. So value is correct. So there is no problem here, but the problem will come when you apply filter here. See, now there is no, it is 0. Okay, so but let's say when we selected banana, it was coming NA. Right? So in January there was no sale. So please remember, we are saying we have to wrap it up with the if error values. If nothing, then you say produce 0. So not in Jan, nothing is there. So with that, yes, you can definitely apply VLOOKUP here.